How does Kafka handle Zookeeper outages? When Zookeeper goes down, Kafka tries to keep running with what it has. The Kafka servers already in the charge of data continue to work, so reading and writing data can still happen. However, Kafka can't make changes like choosing new leaders for data partitions or adding new servers like Zookeeper is back. This means while basic operations go on, the system can't fully adjust or recover from other problems until Zookeeper is restored. What are Kafka producers and consumers? Kafka producers are programs that send messages to Kafka. They put data into different categories called topics. Kafka consumers are programs that read and use these messages. They take data from the topics they are interested. Producers and consumers work together to move and process data in real time, helping different parts of an application share information quickly and efficiently. How do producers send data to Kafka? Producers send data to Kafka by connecting to Kafka servers and choosing a topic to send their messages to. They can decide which part of the topic to send each message to, often using a key to keep related messages together. The Kafka servers then store these messages so that consumers can read and use them later. This setup helps organize and manage data efficiently. What are some of the strategies consumers use to read data from Kafka? Consumers read data from Kafka by subscribing to topics they are interested. They often join consumer groups where each consumer reads from different parts of the topic to balance the workload. They keep track of which messages they have already read using offsets. This way, if something goes wrong or they need to restart, they can pick up right where they left off, making sure they don't miss any data. How can consumer groups enhance the scalability of Kafka? Consumers groups make Kafka more scalable by sharing the work among multiple consumers. Each consumer in the group reads from a different parts of a topic, so they can process data at the same time. If the amount of data grows, we can add more consumers to the group to handle the extra load. This way, Kafka can manage large amount of data efficiently and quickly, making the system work better as it scales up. Discuss how Kafka achieves fault tolerance. Kafka achieves fault tolerance by making copies of data and spreading it across different servers. Each topic is split into parts called partitions, and each part is duplicated on multiple servers. If one server fails, Kafka can still access the data from other servers with copies. Zookeeper helps to manage which server is in the charge of each part, ensuring everything keeps running smoothly even if some servers have problems. What is the role of replication in Kafka? Replication in Kafka means making copies of data and storing them on different servers. This ensures that if one server fails, Kafka can still get the data from other servers with copies. Replication keeps the system running smoothly without losing the data. It also helps to balance the workload because consumers can read from different copies. This makes sure that the data is always available and safe. How does Kafka ensure data is not lost? Kafka prevents data loss by making multiple copies of each message and storing them on different servers. When a producer sends a message, it waits for the confirmation from the server that they have received it. If no confirmation comes, the producer sends the message again. All data is saved to disk. If so, even if a server fails, other copies are safe. This system ensures data is always available on server and it will never lost. What is the significance of the acknowledgement setting in producers? The acknowledgement settings in Kafka producers controls how many servers must confirm they got a message before producer thinks it's sent. If set to acknowledgement equals to 1, only the main server confirms with the acknowledgement equals to all. All copies confirms, making it very safe but slower. With acknowledgement equals to 0, no confirmation is needed, which is fast but risky because data could be lost if something goes wrong. Explain Kafka Streams and its use cases. Kafka Stream is a tool that helps to build real-time applications that process data as it arises. It reads data from Kafka topics and allows us to transform, filter, combine, and analyze this data on the fly. Common uses include real-time analytics, monitoring systems, and tracking financial transactions. Kafka Streams make it easy to handle complex data processing directly within Kafka, making applications scalable and reliable without needing extra processing systems.